Swinkels Family Brewers is constantly working on doing business in a smarter and more sustainable way. We want to pass on an even better family business to future generations. Striving for a fully circular business is an important part of this. This means that we will not let raw materials, energy and materials go to waste. We ensure that they retain their value. To find out where we stand in our ambition, we developed the Swinkels Circularity Index, which measures the degree to which we conduct circular business. We use the Swinkels Circularity Index to improve our business operations. This measuring tool is focused on 3 pillars: circular purchasing, circular production, and high-quality reuse. Next to our own production process, we will also direct our attention to the whole picture. This includes the raw materials we purchase, our energy and water consumption, and our waste flows. The first pillar in our Swinkels Circularity Index is circular purchasing. We want the raw materials we buy to be produced in the most sustainable and circular way as possible. To achieve this, we work closely with our suppliers. Only together, we can make the difference. The packaging we buy is fully recyclable and increasingly contains recycled material and material from sustainable sources. We are investigating whether we can make certain packaging lighter so that we can save on the use of raw materials. We also work closely with farmers to make the cultivation of barley, hops and sugar more sustainable. It is important to us that the agricultural raw materials we buy have a sustainability certificate. The second pillar of the Swinkels Circularity Index is circular production, which focuses on the most efficient energy and water consumption. We will also pay attention to reducing losses in our production process, making our transport more sustainable, properly maintaining machines and buildings so that they last for a long time. An example of circular production is the efficient use of heat. Heat that is available but not needed right away is called residual heat. The residual heat from our brewery and malting plant is stored in a hot water buffer. We reuse this heat to brew our beer. As a result, we need fewer heat sources and save a lot of energy. We use an anaerobic water treatment system in Lieshout, Steenhövel and Eemshaven. The bacteria in this system convert organic substances in water into biogas. This gas can be used to power our brewing and malting processes. The third pillar is high-quality reuse. All the products that remain after our production process will be considered for reuse. Our largest residual stream is brewer's grains, a product that is created in the brewing of our beer. Brewer's grains have already been used as cattle feed, but we're also investigating whether they can be used as ingredients for biscuits or turned into food for people in some other way. Not all the water we use ends up in our beer. We also use it to clean our brewing kettles, for example. In Lieshout and Ethiopia, we have a great solution for residual water in our Farmer Beer Water project. We purify the water in our water treatment plant and return it to the soil. As a result, farmers in the vicinity of the brewery have enough water to grow their crops, even in times of drought. It is important to us that countless generations after us can still enjoy everything we brew and build. We aim to take good care of our environment and add lasting value. By focusing on circular entrepreneurship, we believe we can pass on an even better family business to future generations. Our goal is to be 75% circular by 2025.